Kenmore 3-burner propane barbecue grill, reliable, mobile backyard solution. Kenmore's 3-burner propane grill pages call out a 30,000 BTU total output, cast iron cooking grates, foldable side tables, and 4 casters, 2 locking, for mobility, features that make it a sensible backyard or balcony option. The Amazon listing highlights user-friendly touches like tool hooks and easy movement. Since Kenmore grills are often offered by multiple sellers, the live price can vary, so check the product page for the current seller price. For homeowners who want cast iron heat retention and easy repositioning, Kenmore's mid-range models are pragmatic. We share buy links in description box. Practically speaking, buyers report good heat for searing and an uncomplicated cooking layout for everyday meals. Assembly and fit are the predictable pain point for many grills in this bracket, and occasional finished trim inconsistencies show up in reviews, again, common for mass-market grills, but the portability, solid grates and mid-range power make it a useful staple for patio cooking. If you want something dependable without premium bells and whistles, the Kenmore 3-burner lines are worth considering. We share buy links in description box.